Welcome to our tutorial on how to find drafts on Gmail using your PC following the latest updates. If you've ever started writing an email and then put it aside for later, you know how important it is to find those drafts quickly. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. You should see your inbox and various options on the left side of the screen. Next, we'll need to hover over the left menu. This menu contains important labels and folders, such as Inbox, Sent, and more. As you hover, you'll notice that certain sections might expand, allowing you to see additional options. Don't rush this step. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now comes the critical part: locating your drafts. Look for the Drafts label in the left menu. It might be tucked away, depending on the number of labels you have. Clicking on it will take you directly to all the drafts you've saved. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. You can scroll down the menu to find it. Once you click on the Drafts label, you'll be greeted with a list of all your unsent emails. You can click on any draft to continue editing, and then send it when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully located your drafts on Gmail. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll always know how to access your unfinished emails with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.